Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Notifications, scroll down a bit and tap on More. Over here select one of your apps, like Google Play Store, and click on the switcher next to it. All notifications from Google Play Store are now disabled. You can turn them back on by clicking at the same switcher, but you can also click on Google Play Store over here and manage notifications, but by clicking on the switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!